Ung'ethaniri uria wiriga kuyumiria mbunge-ini nene ya bururi muthenya-ini wa mwaka muhituku iguru rigie mutarataraa wa watho wa gwikira mogaruruku watho wa ciama cia kiuteti guku bururi-ini riu urorete mbunge-ini ya Senate. Muthenya wa ruciu senators othe nimetetwo giikaro kia mwanya mbunge-ini gutwarithia nambere ndereti igie mutaratara uyu wa watho wa ciama nditimurano hiwe gitanywo kwiyumiria gatagati ga senators aria megiritanagia na mwaho wa Azimio na aria manyitaga mbaru munene wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto.
Upon conclusion of the second reading, the bill will stand committed to the committee of the whole. At the committee of the whole, senators may submit amendments to the bill for consideration.
We should have a very informed debate on this matter.
Giikaro-ini kia umuthi kuri na ciuria cionekire kwiyumiria amwe ya maseneta magikirira nganja riboti ya kamiti ya watho mbunge-ini ino aria marahetwo wigiririkia wa kungania mawoni ma muingi niguo kuimbaimbiriria mutaratara uyu wa watho makienda kumenya niki riboti ya muthia ya kamiti ino itanakuruhania mawoni maya.
The issues that were strong issues that were raised by the registrar of political parties and the IEBC that are also captured in the report, and when they appeared before the committee, that, Mr. Speaker, I would have wished and thought that it would persuade the committee to come with amendments.
Oho senators aya no monekire kwaga kuiganira makiuga ni magiretio kuoha thabari cia nja wa bururi nginyagia mihango igie mutaratara uyu wa watho irikirire.
We are descending to levels where members are being stopped from going about their duties, some of them either official or with family, because of business that is before the house. Then this country is descending to levels lower than has ever been since independence, Mr. Speaker.
So on what basis would anybody in the executive injunct a member of a different arm of government from traveling out of the country?
And I want you to give me 2 weeks to get all the information and bring a report here on exactly what happened.
Kiumia kihituku hindi ya giikaro kia mwanya na atongoria aria megiritanagia na mwaho wa Azimio, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nionekire kuruta mwerekera mukinyaniru kuri senators wa gutigira watho uyu ni wahituka mbunge-ini ino thutha wa kuhituka mbunge-ini nene ya bururi.
We debate the Political Parties Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bills number 56 of 2021, I urge that we exercise restraint, maintain decorum that is expected of a functional legislature.
No senators aria manyitaga mbaru munene wa mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto merumite keni na kuga no muhaka ogwe makiana itumi cia gukorwo hari na keiho maubikirwo na maugite wahitio hituke mbunge-ini mekuya ikinya ria guthii igoti-ini kutungiria uregani kuo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritora kwa Urugari wa Kamau.